going to get into today? Well, today is Moonshine Wednesday, and what are we going to make? We are going to make a blackberry lemonade moonshine. The weather is finally starting to break. Maybe not today, it's a little chilly today, but it's starting to break, and I'm ready for some good summertime moonshine. I just love to taste that, and I love lemonade. But blackberry lemonade, that'll be pretty fantastic. But first things first, welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, this is a very simple thing to make. So we're going to get ready to get started. What's the ingredients? Well, I got some lemons, I got blackberries, I got some sugar, and I got some 100 proof shine. All right, so what do we got to do first? Well, first thing we're going to do is I got a pot right here. So we're going to dump them blackberries in there. Right, so that's 2 cups of blackberries, and I will put the ingredients down in the description box. And I do have a potato masher because I want to break in blackberries up just a little bit before I start adding too much in there. All right, so I want to break them up just a hair. But first things first, I think we need I need 2 cups of lemon juice, and that's going to be about 8 to 10 lemons. I got me a juicer thing here. So let's start by, get this out of the way, by juicing some of these lemons. And you could use the bottled lemon juice. I don't see why that would hurt. But I just thought these would be good. And we are going to need the zest of 1 lemon. All right, so let me get 2 cups of juice, and I'll be back. 8 lemon juice, that gave me basically 2 cups of juice. Good, pure lemon juice. Okay, and I did save the zest off some of them because we'll need that, a little bit of zest too. So let me move this over here. Okay, so what I want to do, and I'll bring the camera over so you can see, is we're going to put all the ingredients in the pot, everything but the alcohol. Don't put that in there yet. And what we'll do is put everything in the pot, and we want to heat it up to melt the sugar and to incorporate all them flavors. And I will take a potato masher and mash them berries just a little bit to let that flavor come out, because we sure do want that flavor. All right, so let me get the camera moved around so you can see what's going on. Okay, you got their blackberries in there. We're going to put our 2 cups of juice in there. And before I put the water in, I would like to just to mash these just a little bit. I mean, cooking will get most of the flavor out, but I think a little mash will not hurt them. Okay, that's just a little bit. Okay. Get my musher cleaned off. Okay. Now let's add in, the next thing we want is 2 cups of water. Okay. 2 cups of water. Almost, and we want 2 cups of just regular old sugar. 1 and 2. And we want about a tablespoon of zest. That's a tablespoon of zest. And that'll give out some more of that lemon flavor. All right, so what we want to do is start heating this up. I'm gonna just go medium heat. Sorry about the noise. And then all we want to do is stir this and we want to get that sugar to melt. And we want to bring out some of the flavors out of the blackberries. It looks good so far. Okay, so let me get this melted and then we'll be back, okay? That up to a small simmer and I shut everything off. So what I'm gonna let it do now is cool down. All right, so we're almost done. The heat will help break down those berries. So I'll just stir it every once in a while to help it cool off. But overall, I just let it cool down and then we'll be back. We'll get ready to move the shine in. Well, let me back up. After it cools down, what we'll do is we'll strain out all the stuff that's in there, the seeds and the parts of lemon zest and all that good stuff. And then we'll mix in the alcohol and get ready to put it in some bottles. Then we get to taste it. I'm looking forward to this. All right, so let me make this happen and we'll be back. It's still a little warm, but I'm gonna let it start straining out because it might take a little while for it to strain out. So let me show you what I got. I mean, I just got my big measuring cup and a screen. So I'm gonna just pour it in there and let it start straining out. Get all that pulp and stuff out of it. Plus then I can take this, wash this pot and get ready for it because it's going to take a little wait to strain that out. But boy, I stuck my finger. It tastes fantastic. All right. Let's let that strain and then we'll be back. And we'll get ready to mix this up and put it in some bottles. So everything pretty much, it's strained out. Pretty damn cool. By the time I add everything in, to be fine. Okay, get rid of that. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in the pot just so I can mix everything together. All right, so like I said, I got 4 cups of 100 proof here. We're gonna add that in. Give it a little stir. Okay, now we're gonna put it in the bottle. All right, so where's my, yeah, here it is. All right, so let's put it in a bottle and then we get ready to taste it. I'll just use a ladle to start. I don't spill it. I mean, it's a pretty color. And these jars, I've said it before, they're not a true quart. Somebody gave me a whole case of them that is from this Old Smoky Moonshine jars. They work fantastic. So I use them. Oh, the smell is fantastic. I do love lemonade. I might get one more out of it. I can pick it up now. A little bit more left. All right. So let me get something to taste with. Okay, we get to try this out. Like I said, it's a beautiful color. Got a lemon scent to it. All right. Woo! Got a nice little alcohol burn to it. I'm assuming it's right around 50 proof. Yeah. No. Yeah, because it was 100 proof and about half, yeah, about 50 proof, just a little bit less, 45. It's got, you sure can taste the lemonade, and that blueberry flavor is fantastic. Now, this is warm, to room temperature. I bet you put that on ice is like, wow. That is 100% fantastic. Oh, sit outside and enjoy that. Be nothing wrong with that. All right, like I said, I'll put the ingredients down in the description. You have to try it. It's fantastic. It's very, 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 very good. And it don't taste terribly sweet. It does have 2 cups of sugar in, but it don't taste terribly sweet. Got a nice balance to it. I mean, between the sweetness and the tartness, you can really get the tartness out of the lemons. All right. So I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody.